Meaning of disincentive.
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 Disincentive. Disincentive refers to something that discourages or reduces the motivation of an individual or group to take a particular action. For example, a high tax rate on income may create a disincentive for individuals to work more or earn higher wages, as they would have to give up a larger portion of their earnings to the government. Disincentives can lead to decreased productivity, reduced innovation, and lower economic growth. Therefore, policymakers need to carefully consider the potential disincentives of their policies when designing them to avoid unintended negative consequences.